Welcome back, you beautiful people.
Welcome back, guys.
I'm Nathan. I'm Seb.
I'm Nathan.
And we're in a hot, sticky mess today. It's really, really hot. If you're probably wondering what we actually got on our head, the little rice fields, little hat thing. So today
very trendy.
Yeah, don't tell anyone. We start the trend today, here, now. We're in Tegalalang, rice terraces. It's just north of Ubud, about 5-10 minutes drive. And yeah, we spend our morning here basically.
So we got here around about 6:30.
Yeah.
We do recommend to come as early as possible. Between 6:30 to 9, we get the whole place to ourselves basically. There wasn't many people here. After 9 o'clock, it gets extremely busy with all the tourists. So the best spot to kind of find, that we found, is more further back of the rice fields. Yeah. And it has swings and so cool. We will put some clips in there for you as well. Yeah. I mean,
it's really, really cool. It costs a little bit of money. I think it was 50,000 each.
50,000 each.
That's about £3 each, but that's definitely worth doing.
Definitely one to put on your bucket list. Let's just say that.
It's a once in a lifetime sort of thing to do. Amazing. But yeah, we'll do we'll let the images do the talking now.
What happened, Seb?
You really want to know? You're not filming?
I am filming.
Well, this happened. That happened. That happened. So guys, if you come into the rice field, make sure you look one foot in front of the other, and then and put some flip flops probably. Are you laughing at my expense by any chance?
That is worth every penny we paid to come here.
Guys, I've just washed my feet down the stream to get rid of all that mud. And I was trying to film, as you do. And so that's the aftermath.
It's the glory hole.
That's where I sort of sunk in. And this is a state of me. For God's sake. So, back to your stream again. So guys, we left the rice terraces, and on the way back we decided to visit a temple. It's called Tirta Temple, and it was highly recommended by the locals, the guides, our hotel, so we thought we'd give it a go. So
it only costs 50,000 rupees, and at 3 o'clock today they have a show going on, and I'm really excited to see that, and I believe Seb is.
But we don't.
I'm kind of dragging him along to see the show, to be honest.
I'm not too sure what sort of show it is and what to expect, so I'm quite happy to go and sit there and watch that. So where did you get your nice dress, Nathan?
Nice dress? More like a tablecloth. Jesus.
Yeah, we got literally harassed to buy one. They do provide some for free though, to be honest.
Which we should have done, but if we do go to any more temples, at least we've got one on hand.
But we thought, you know what, we could be not like everyone else, so we could buy some proper tablecloth.
So I've got a pretty elephant on mine.
Yeah, and like mine, I don't know if you've seen mine, but it's proper orange. I thought I'll do that in non-style.
Just where it was needed. Clearly black as night. Cloistered in injustice.
So guys, as you can see behind me, we have some purification pool. It's quite easy to get into. You get into the side here and then you walk straight in. You have 13 little fountains that you get under, and each fountain, it takes away a little bit of your sin. Once you're on the 13th of the waterfall, it will take away all of your sins completely.
Swallows will be in the dark. When we're finally sober, they'll be gone.
So guys, we have had a little wander around. and we have found where the water originates from.
Yes, and it's really like stunning. I don't know.
Yeah.
It's there's a little lake. I'll put the footage right on top of this, and it's like a cloudy sort of sand that comes out of the ground. It's absolutely beautiful.
It's kind of, it's like a lava lamp where it comes and it just bubbles.
Yeah, obviously don't quote on us on
Yeah,
that.
not
Yeah,
on
it's
that
not.
part,
It's
but
not a lava lamp,
it
but
looks
it
a
looks a
little
bit
bit
like
like
it though.
that.
It's really nice to look at, relaxing and calming. I don't know why.
I just want to jump in there, to be honest. It's so clear, that water, you can
Yeah.
see every detail.
So, babe, what's the weather forecast at the moment?
It's sunny with no cloud and no rain.
The funny thing is, we've got to drive back for about 40 minutes to the hotel.
40 minutes.
So yeah, and we just waited for the last half hour for it to calm down. So this is as good as it gets, I think. So let's hope. I don't know. Let's hope for the best.
Let's hope for the best.
The power of this thing is absolutely phenomenal. Bloody typical, guys. We've been down here for about an hour now, and it's absolutely chucking it down.